Hi, I'm Charlotte from Preston Baker's Headingley branch, and today we're in Cuckridge to look at a fabulous 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow on Bedford Gardens. The highlight of this property is its fabulous open plan kitchen diner, so let's go take a look at that first. The fabulous kitchen diner features several integrated appliances, 3 worktops and a fabulous kitchen diner breakfast bar. The dining room features 2 windows and patio doors that lead out onto the garden, which lets huge amounts of light in, as you can see. The beautiful thing about the dining area is it leads you nicely out onto your raised outdoor decking. One of the standout features of this bungalow is its beautiful private garden, which features a raised decking and a brick-built barbecue area. As you can see, the garden is completely unoverlooked. The wonderfully spacious lounge features a beautiful log burner, big lovely window letting lots of light flood in. So here we are in the largest of the 2 bedrooms, which features a lovely outlook onto the garden and fitted wardrobes here. And here we are in the 2nd bedroom, which is also a really good size. It could double up as a snug or an office. The shower room is fully tiled and features a spacious walk-in shower. So there we have it, that's 25 Bedford Gardens, which is coming to the market very soon. It's perfectly placed between Horsforth train station and the popular area of Headingley. To book your viewing, please call me on 0113 224 9877.